So guys, ato ning tabangan. Okay? Like that.
Okay. Yep.
Where do you live here?
Live in Kildare.
Kildare?
Yeah.
That's very far away.
Very far.
Huh? What is it? It's very far. What's the other one? Yeah, the bolt. Here, look.
Oh.
It's on.
Yeah. One.
We gonna rito, cutie, yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can disengage the jacks and then you're on the way, okay? So, natabagan na to siya guys. Pauli pa sa skill there niya, naplatan siya diri sa may sa may silker key. So, naluoy lagi ta kay wa koy gamit. Koy isi mga gamit nga kuan. So, tabangan. Okay? So, like we are like Samaritan. Okay, we're gonna head out now. Heading up home. Tama na itong pagtabang. Anyway, ang jack na lang ang iyang kuhaon. So, natao na ang spare wheel. That's it. Okay, my friend. Yeah. All good, yeah?
I think it's coming down, isn't it?
Yeah. Just keep going. Very raining, you know? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And then I think you need a tire, no?
Yeah.
You need a tire, I think, because it's badly damaged on the inside, yeah?
Inside, is it?
Yeah, it's showing on the inside, like.
Maybe got function.
Maybe you have. I cannot see. cannot see puncture in here. Just have a look on the tire shop, okay? Maybe there is a damage in here or whatever. The tire looks okay.
Look what?
It looks okay.
Quality.
Okay, this looks okay, yeah? There's no damage. Yeah, just slow puncture, yeah?
I tried to pump it here, but it's not.
No. It's if it's not pumping, it's not. The air is escaping because it's
Somewhere.
slow puncture somewhere. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Okay.